Hey, my name is Brad Smith. Thank you guys so much for joining me. You are awesome. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw the Invisible Woman from Fantastic Four. Let's go. All right, we just drew the Invisible Woman. She's done. She's invisible. Thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed that. It was kind of a joke. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry, it's making me laugh too much. Enjoyed that. Please give me a like, follow, subscribe. I'm gonna have a bunch of how to draw videos, and be sure to check out sketchforce.art for some awesome. It's a how to draw monsters from imagination workshop. It's awesome. It's for kids for 9 and up. It has over 2.5 hours of content, and it has a 14-page workbook that goes along with it. It's great. I hope you guys check it out. Go to sketchforce.art in order to see that. Thank you guys. Like this video, subscribe, all the good stuff. You're awesome. Take care.